This exercise is called the drape. It is exceptional for loosening up the mid-back and thoracic region. We use it along with a breathing description called diaphragmatic breathing. I'll give you a brief description on it as we're down here. The gist of this exercise, we take our hips and press into a block or a stack of pillows. Ideally, the firmer the pillows, the better. Or you could use a gymnast ball as well. We drive the hips in, we lift the ribs up, drape yourself over the top, opening up the lumbar. And then we're going to take the arms, pinch the elbows together and put the palms up as you roll over the top of the cushion or gymnast ball obstruction that you're draping over. Okay? So this is a drape full. And then what we want to do is breathe in through the sides of your body. So you, hopefully you can see my sides expand. And you squeeze the air out through your abdomen. And allow your head and shoulders to hang with each outward breath. Okay. Press yourself out of the drape when finished. You want to conduct the drape for, again, 30 seconds to 2 minutes.